Okay, so welcome back to Girls Dinner.
Eat what
What
we
we
serve.
Okay, so our podcast is about girls. Okay.
Right.
Before the topic start, let me introduce myself and my partner. I am Salsabila and you guys can call me Caca and my partner.
I am Manisa Della and you can call me Della.
Okay, so our topic or tema is about girls. Okay, woo, interesting topic, right?
Right. Because this is the first episode of our
Yep.
podcast.
First episode. And Anissa, Della,
Yes, Kak.
I want to ask you about girls. What is girls in your mind?
Girls in my mind. The first thing that
Across in your
across
mind?
in my mind is the beautiful creature.
Oh, like us?
Yes.
Okay, so
It's because the girl is the beautiful creature like us. So it's can be seen as
yeah.
Okay, so how about you? What's
Oh.
across in your mind when you're hear girls?
Girls is something that God create or create a creature that so so flawless, so beautiful, so pretty, and the woman itself is created for what? For our ecosystem, right? Our environment to make our life better, lighter, and
Because
colorful.
if no girls in this world is
Nothing, right?
my God.
Yeah, that's the point.
terrifying.
Yeah, of course. And without woman in this world is no man, right?
Right.
Okay, so we have to mention about girls. So you guys can guess what is theme or topic today?
I think you guys wondering, right?
Yeah. So the topic or the theme today is about
Woman empowerment.
alright, woman empowerment. What do you think woman empowerment is?
Empowerment itself, in my opinion, based on what I learned in the class, is when women is racist or fight back from the stereotype that see the woman as the inferior one. So the woman fight back and it's called woman empowerment. And how about you? What do you think about woman empowerment?
I think about woman empowerment is the process when a woman have or encourage herself to I agree with you about stereotype, and but back then herself is have freedom and conscious and power and critical to construct the stereotype itself, and it can be resist the stereotype, so it calls woman empowerment. And it construction or it resistance is to resist power, of course, patriarchy, right?
Right.
And racism, of course, and it can be of course stereotype too. So before we start to discussion about the issue, it's called woman empowerment. Let us introduce or explain a little bit about the film itself that portrayed woman empowerment. It calls or it entitled is
Promising Young Woman.
2020. So what is the film, Anissa Della?
So the movie is story about the woman called Cassie.
Yeah.
She is stopping. Dia berhenti sekolah apa?
Drop out.
She is dropped out from her school. Her school is medical school
Yeah.
because her best friend Nina
Yeah.
is get
Sexual harassment.
Sexual
Sorry.
harassment.
Yeah.
by the boys
Yep.
at that school.
Yeah.
And that
And it causing a revenge from the yes.
and it comes
Kenapa?
goyang kameranya.
It caused her friend, Nina's friend called Casey. The main character is take the revenge for the boys, because the boys do something,
To her best friend.
Yep. And it happened when they are in young adult.
That's
Yeah.
right. And the society in the movie is looking Nina as the victim because she is
A woman
a woman
and beautiful.
and that's why women in the society is just looking as an object. So why we are want to rise the woman objectification and woman empowerment, because the woman empowerment itself is doing by Cassie, her
Yep.
best friend, that revenge to Nina apa sih kejadian accident.
Yeah, accident.
Nina accident.
And the genre is about revenge, right? And dark comedy and drama. And that's why we are wearing black and pink today. Pink
Right.
represent
Woman itself, and the
and
black is represent the revenge.
revenge. Okay. The introduction a little bit, intermezzo. And we back to the story. And the story itself is still the issue still exists now, especially as you mentioned before, the society and it society looking Nina as objectification, and her best friend her name is Casey take revenge for her because Nina is died before that accident because heart trauma, and Nina cannot survive in her life because that accident. But woman empowerment itself and woman objectification here is about the boys who do something to Nina is daily life is nothing happens, like nothing happened. And
That's right.
the boys who do something to Nina, did something to Nina is have a good job, have family, a good family, and they're
Even he getting married.
the main who did something to Nina is getting married, and he enjoyed his life and something like that. So
And why we choose the movie is because that issue is still happening until
Yep.
right now.
of course that
Okay, Cha, despite the issue, what do you think about the movie itself?
I think the movie is so interesting, especially us as a woman, because what I mentioned before, Casey is pretending to drunk, right, to attract the boys. Nah,
And that part is really confusing.
yeah.
You're right.
I think so though, because why Casey is pretending to drunk to attract boys? I have opinion for that statement. I think that Casey is pretending to drink to um I think Casey pretending to drunk is to discover the real face about the man, that a man is the man who look nice, he is a nice guy. It's not nice at all.
Yes.
He always he certainly wants something to the woman, right?
Right.
What about you? About that scene?
About that scene
Yeah.
that she drunk.
Yep.
I think she drunk is because actually she not drunk, right?
Yeah, he just
She
pretending.
just pretending. And in my opinion, why she do that? Because she want to mencari tahu.
Discover. Find out.
She want to find out who is the partner of Al Monroe who
Oh.
do something to her best friend.
Oh, that's interesting too.
I
Yeah.
think because after she doing that, she open she open her note and make what is called
Mark.
mark.
Mark. To whoever he has made
Yeah.
or murder. Yeah, he take the note and he write the name of that boys. And yeah, I think agree with your opinion, but yeah, I have another opinion about it. Yeah, I think that as I mentioned before, Casey, it's just not trust again, not has
Yes.
trust again to boys, because yeah, Nina, her friend is experience something bad with boys, and yeah, the scene also implicitly show us that Casey is not interesting to men, right? In the
Yes.
beginning, before
That's right.
before she met
Right.
Ryan, yeah. I think he pretended to drunk is just want to discover what the guy real looks like, because every guy is wanting something, to a woman.
Yeah, you know, girls.
Yeah, you know what I mean. So yeah, okay. So and then Della,
Yes,
I remember one scene that Casey is looking for the headmaster and the lawyer, right? And
Yes,
Casey
I
is
remember that.
Casey is not doing something harmful or do the revenge. What do you think about that?
Oh, why she don't do what she do at the boys to the lawyer and the headmaster? It's because I think because she want to make sure that Nina is
Yeah.
just a victim in that
Yeah.
case,
Of course.
because the what headmaster and the lawyer at that time is looking Nina as the woman that you should deserve that because you drunk and
Wow.
you go with boys in that room. So yeah, that's why it can be it can be happen.
I agree with your opinion too, because and also the lawyer is show her regretness, right?
Yes.
Yeah, he giving forgiveness. He want to
Even he take a cuti. But
even the lawyer take day off for his job, right?
that's right.
Yeah,
Okay, Cha. This movie is very interesting.
yeah,
But
of course.
have you ever seen another movie that have some vibes or some issue like this movie?
Oh, I get it. I think I have one of those.
What?
The movie is called Jennifer's Body. The main character is Megan Fox, as you guys know. If you know, the story is has similarity about the film we have discussed. I mentioned a little bit. Okay. The Jennifer's itself is do revenge, do something harmful to only the boys, because boys is nice
Why?
from the front, and bad from the inside.
Yes.
It also that film is also talk about feminism also, like we have discussed right now. That film that I have mentioned, Jennifer's Body, is have similarity so banyak, so a lot. Cut. Jennifer's Body has a lot of similarity about the film that we discussed today. So what about you?
Because for me, this is his first time. Yes, this is first time for me to watch the movie with the genre like this.
Oh.
Yes, and it's interesting. So maybe I want to watch the Jennifer's Body too.
I recommended it for you. Okay.
Okay.
And then, what about the ending? The Cassie is dead. What do you think about that? Oh my god!
Okay, before that, guys, we will mention about the spoiler.
Yeah.
Spoiler. So if you want to watch it, you should watch it first because I want to spoil it.
Yep.
I'm not satisfied with the ending because Cassie is died.
Oh my god, Cassie, my girls, my god.
Yes. I don't expect that because at the beginning of the movie, she's the powerful girl.
Nah, that I want to mention about you. I think that the Cassie is half implicit meaning. What do you think about it?
No, I don't think about that. I don't even think about that.
I think the implicit meaning about Cassie is about the director trying to tell us to represent it about woman trying to so hard to stand up
Oh my God,
for
you're
the
right.
justice, right? Yeah, at the beginning and the middle of the story, Cassie is trying too hard to take the revenge. She is so powerful. She is so fighting to her friend, right? But the end, Cassie is dead because what? In the environment, especially in the real life, we as a woman have no choice. We often has no change, right, and space to speak up to justice, right? Yeah, the director and the story maker, I don't know who is, something like it, trying to inform us,
right.
in that implicit meaning, because in our society,
Society, right now.
society is woman is sometimes have no choice, have no
Has no rights.
have
For
no,
themselves.
I think the
Oh my
ending
God,
is
you're
that,
right.
while I'm watching that movie, I'm trying. I'm so upset about that. Why you should die? Oh my god, my girls.
Right.
Actually, it turns out that the implicit meaning, I think, and okay.
Okay, so after we talk about the whole movie, the movie is got an Oscar,
Oh yeah.
Oscar award. But do you think this movie is got the Oscar? Because some people is tell that this movie is have a racism because they too many use the white actor and actress in the movie.
I think to Oscar level, right? I think it's. I don't think that film is. I don't say that film is not deserve an Oscar. Yeah, yeah. Since the Oscar itself is the genre of Oscar itself is about some since the genre of Oscar itself is mostly about science
Science
fiction,
fiction.
and this film is
Not about
to
science fiction.
is to real. I think that
Yes.
the issue about woman empowerment, like
So it's like
too edgy. I think too edgy to
Mm.
discuss or to show, and I think in some of people that react that film is to as you mentioned before, a little bit racism because the the character that involved in that film is white people. Yeah, so it becomes a new stereotype that new people is same like that. You know, yeah. I think that's not too fit to Oscar level, but of course the film is so interesting, so good, but for the Oscar level I think a little bit too
not that eye catching.
too much
Too much.
yeah.
And how about your review and or your rating this film? 1 to 10.
Scale 1 to 10.
Yes.
I think 7.8
Oh, 8. This
Yeah.
so specific.
because that I think the rating what makes the rating is just 7.7 yes 7.8 because I'm not dissatisfied about the
With the
ending. Oh my god, that's so down my expectation. My expectation is she win about her battle and some
You are the Disney girl actually.
yeah and also the main character is not nobody win in that
In the
film,
film,
right?
yes.
The protagonist is that the antagonist is arrested by the police, and I don't dissatisfied about that film. And also I think several scenes bentar, aku lupa scene yang mana kan? Several scene about
Like
several that one scene like Casey is pretending to drown is not explicit show about what her doing that.
like
Like
unnecessary.
Not clearly show about that purpose. That reason.
I agree with you.
It down my rating. How about you? What about your rating?
I want to rate this movie 7.
Just 7?
Yes.
Why?
Because I say with you because the ending is not satisfying and so many scenes that unnecessary like you said. But I want to rate this 7 because I'm not often watch movie in this genre, and I said before this is my first time to watch movie like that. But overall, this movie is so eye-catching, and the song, like the background of this movie is also good, right? You must know a lot of song in this movie.
I know. When I heard about that music that playing on, I directly sing about that song.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
Me too.
So we already discussed about the film, the issue, and all of the segment, and we are in the end of the podcast.
Yeah, that's right. Are you full of our discussion for the movie right now?
Oh, I'm so full about that. There's a lot of insight that in comes to me.
And we wondering, guys, if you have another
Opinion
opinion, you can write down in our comment
section.
section.
Okay, so
That's all. Girls dinner.
eat what we serve.